Shopify, or the Big Cartel. Hey everybody, welcome into this new video. In this tutorial, let's see which one can be the best tool to create your online store and to have more tools to help you to create your account, to create your online store if you're just getting started. So with that being said, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I want to do here into, let's say, comparison between two or more websites is to actually see what they do have to offer. Yes, it's going to be really easy if you have like some free tools or are just cheap, but you have to figure it out, understand what's the value of each prices and if this one is worthy or not to be part of it. So in the concept of being or just getting started into the online store, what you want to do is to focus first of all into the prices. So I believe that Shopify right now, if you click down below in the link that I'm going to leave you in the description, you might be having a free trial and you can enjoy 3 months of Shopify with only paying for just $1 per month on the selected plans. That would be from a basic and a starter plan, I believe. So what does Shopify have here? What do they offer for just $1 on 3 months? So if I click into the what is Shopify, how does it work, you might understand that we can create an online store and we can include some mobile web design, social media, and much more. So Shopify cost in our case, we used $1 for the next 3 months, but let's take a look into how much does this one cost if I want to upgrade my actual Shopify. So as you can see here, I do already have a Shopify account here. So what I want to do is to get into settings. In here in settings, I want to go into the plan billing. And here, as you can see, here is my basic Shopify. This is a plan, really easy to use. So if I hit into the change plan, now I'm going to see that the basic one is $14 in this tiny price, and this basic plan includes the transaction fees of 2%, currency conversions, 2 staff members, 4 locations, basic reports, and all of the above. So all of the below, so actually. So how we can compare this one with Big Cartel? So Big Cartel is going to be helping us a lot to get started for artists and makers. This is a little bit more different if you actually don't want to sell physics stuff. I mean, you want to sell, let's say for example, just some tools or like a pen or a microphone. I mean, you are creating your own stuff here and selling that as an artist or as a maker for a creative business. So if I hit into the open your store and hit into sign up, once again I will leave you a link down below in the description because you might get a few rewards just by signing up. This one has 3 different plans. The first one is called the free one, and here what we can do is to actually import 5 products. We have some 1 image per product. We have free customizable themes. We can sell online, real-time, custom domain, and offer discounts, shipment trackings, product. I mean, if you're just getting started, you don't want to pay absolutely for anything, I believe Big Cartel, the gold free version, can be really useful just to get started and to see how does the online store marketing works. But if you want to make things a little bit more, let's say, professional with what products and all that, I think it's going to be worthy to check it out the next step. Now here into the next feature, this is the platinum feature. This is for $10 per month. I believe a little bit less than Shopify because Shopify is costing $14. So they have low transaction fees, they have 2 staff members, they have a lot of products, fraud analysis, gift cards, and much more. So back here into the Big Cartel, you can import now 5 images per product, free customizable themes, sell online in person. You do have the real-time state. You do have user custom domain. You have theme code editing, goal analytics, and so much more. I think that this plan feature is going to be more affordable than Shopify. So what you want to do if you want to figure it out, I think like the best option to get started into the Big Cartel is to actually create your very first account. So what I want to do here is to sign up. What I want to do is to actually import my Gmail. I want to import a passcode. I want to import my shop name, and here I want to choose sign up. So just as easy as that, we are now being signed up into the Big Cartel. So what I want to do after I make the verification process, I want to take a look into how does the Big Cartel works. So what I need to do in order to get started, I need to make this checking list. For example, verify the location and the currency. Really important if I want to get started here. So as you can see, here's my account. I'm going to hit into next. Here is my location. I'm going to hit into done. And just as easy, we can get paid here, except with credit card with Stripe or accept payments with PayPal. You have some taxes. Here's our billing section. Here's our shipping profiles beta mode, preferences, security, activate more devices, and much more integrations. If I go into the dashboard, here's going to be appearing the checklist that I of course need to do, and I can even import my very first product. For example, here I'm going to tap next, and done. Once again, I can add a product, and here as you can see, this is the easiest part of adding a product. So let's say, for example, this product name, and here's the title, the category, the price, the option, the shipment, and I believe that's it. If I go into the dashboard, I believe that what we can do is to decide our very first shop. So this is how it's going to be looking, our shop. I'm going to hit into next. I'm going to hit into next once again, and I'm going to go into the X mark. This is really easy to take a look at it. So I think that if you want to make some customizable stuff, I believe it's going to be really easy to actually don't do anything, because what we want to do is just to import information into Big Cartel. But into the Shopify, what we can do if we have a basic plan is to choose whatever theme that you want to do, and you want to customize that as you want to do. For example, I have this free version of Dart, and I just imported all this information, my logo, my categories, the different discounts that I added, all the featured products that I just added by making some drop shipping and all that. I'm not pretty sure if we can do this into the Big Cartel. If you want to make drop shipping or to make some product print on demand, I mean, we can do that inside the Big Cartel. But if you want to add some third parties products, I believe that it's going to be a little bit different. So it's really simple to use Big Cartel, but I believe that they don't have a lot of integrations like the Shopify does. So if I go into the apps and integrations, I want to go into the actual apps by the Big Cartel. They do have the 6 of this one. I'm gonna go a little bit back. I'm gonna go into the marketing and promotion applications. So I believe that this one is going to be really easy to get started. If you want to have some more professional products, professional website, and you want to have like more integration and customizable stuff for your store, I believe that Shopify might be the right option for you. But if you're just getting started and you want a place where you want to figure out how does this marketing online store stuff works, I believe that maybe the Big Cartel free plan can be helping you to figure it out if this one is worthy for you or not. If you want to just pay a little bit of bucks more to have more chances to get more exposures, more customizable stuff, you can try to use the Shopify. And actually you do have the free version, and you do have the promotion of 3 months for only $1 down below in the description, so you're not going to be losing any kind of money if you want to try the actual Shopify. So with that being said, this is the very end of the video. Hopefully you like this one and figure it out. I mean, you can try to use both of them, and at the end of the day you can choose which one fits for you the best. So thank you once again for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will see you on the next one. I'll see you soon.